Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on fixing the trigger issue with your Dyson V8 vacuum. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the tools needed, the steps to take, and how to clean the internal components effectively. Let's get started. ### tools you'll need. 1. Phillips screwdriver, for removing screws. 2. Flathead screwdriver, to help pry components apart safely. 3. Small brush, for cleaning dust and debris from the internal parts. 4. Tweezers, for handling small components. 5. Multimeter, optional, to check electrical connections. ### Step 1. Disassemble the Dyson V8. Begin by carefully removing the screws located at the base of the handle using your Phillips screwdriver. Set these screws aside in a safe place to avoid losing them. Gently pull the handle apart from the main body of the vacuum. If you encounter resistance, use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry it loose. Remember, patience is key when disassembling electronics. ### Step 2. Inspect the trigger mechanism. Once the handle is removed, locate the trigger mechanism. Inspect it for any visible damage or debris. Dust accumulation can often hinder the trigger's functionality. Use your small brush to clean around the trigger area thoroughly. If you find any broken parts, they may need to be replaced. ### Step 3. Check electrical connections. Using a multimeter, check the connections to ensure that there are no breaks in the circuit. If the trigger is not engaging, this could be the issue. If you find any faulty connections, consider replacing the wiring. If you're unsure about handling electrical components, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. ### Step 4. Clean the internal components. While you have the vacuum disassembled, it's an excellent opportunity to clean the internal components. Dust buildup can cause various issues, including the trigger malfunction. Use your small brush and some compressed air to remove debris from the motor and other components. This will help improve the overall performance of your Dyson V8. ### Step 5. Reassemble the vacuum. Once everything is clean and inspected, it's time to reassemble your vacuum. Align the handle back onto the main body and gently press it together. Replace the screws you removed earlier with your Phillips screwdriver, ensuring they are tightened securely but not over-tightened, which could cause damage. ### Final steps and considerations. After reassembly, test the trigger to see if the issue is resolved. If the vacuum is still not functioning correctly, it might be worth considering our pickup and delivery at your home service, which allows us to handle the repair without you needing to make any calls or travel. Before you decide on repairs, we can also provide a quote before repair, so you know the expected costs up front. Remember, taking the time to maintain your vacuum regularly can prevent many issues from developing in the future. Regular cleaning and inspection can save you both time and money. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the trigger issue on your Dyson V8 vacuum. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide was helpful in getting your vacuum back to optimal performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.